Hey everybody! So today we're going to be making my small poinsettia paper flower design. It is my 2018 new edition. And the supplies you're going to need for that are 65-pound cardstock, a glue gun, some pearls for the center, my shaping mat and tool set, which is optional, or a thin wood dowel, and the templates of course, which are all linked below. And you will probably want a cutting machine for this, or you can use an X-Acto knife for the specialty top cut piece, but a cutting machine can be helpful, and I use Cricut, and that is linked below as well. So this is a really easy flower. You're just going to cut out 2 base poinsettia templates and one of the specialty top cuts. And I'm using my rolling tool here to just curl the petals around the rolling tool. You can use a thin wood dowel here if you don't have this set or don't wish to purchase it. But curling the petals like this are just giving it that 3D dimension that we're looking for. This is a really easy flower, so like I said, the hardest part, if you're hand cutting, might be just using an X-Acto knife for the specialty piece. And for the specialty piece, I'm just going to roll the center. If you don't have this tool set, you can just sort of fold the petals up with your hands. And then go ahead and roll the centers slightly for the other 2 cuts. And again, you can use your hands if you don't have the tool set. This is just helping give the flower some extra 3D dimension that we want to get here. And then all we're going to do is add some glue to the backside of one of the bottom pieces and layer it on top of the other bottom piece, saving the specialty cut for the top here because that's the detailed piece we want to show. And try and make sure the petals are kind of alternated so that it looks like it's blooming and they're not directly stacked with each other. And then repeat the process with the specialty cut as the final piece. Again, trying to alternate a little bit so that it looks like it's blooming and the petals are kind of going every other one to each other. So that's how easy it is to build the bottom of the flower. And then you're just going to add, I use some pearls here. You can also use like any other embellishments that are round that you might find in the Christmas section of your craft store, but pearls are pretty easy and they can look really elegant. So I just add a little bit of glue. And I like to put in 3 because that's generally what, poinsettia kind of looks like. It's like it has kind of 3 stamen in the center, so I'm kind of creating the same effect with my pearls here. And I just found these at my craft store, but you can also get them online. And oh my goodness, we're done. That's how easy it was to make those. They're super pretty. You can make them to put on wreaths, decorations around your home, your Christmas tree. And if you want to know how to stem this, I do have a tutorial video on that as well. So you can find that linked below in the YouTube video description. Thanks for watching, everyone.